This is why you need to know about Mars's birth. From cosmic dust to a world of wonder, let's unravel the story of how Mars was born. Over 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was a chaotic dance of gas and dust. Picture a cosmic blender whipping up a stellar smoothie. Amidst this chaos, tiny particles began to collide and stick, slowly forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps became planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Through countless collisions and gravitational pulls, one of these planetesimals grew into the Mars we know today. Imagine it like assembling a cosmic jigsaw puzzle piece by piece. As Mars formed, it underwent intense volcanic activity, spewing lava and shaping its rugged surface. Ancient water flows carved valleys and canyons, hinting at a wetter past. And those iconic iron-rich rocks? They gave Mars its signature red hue. From a swirling cloud of dust to the magnificent red planet, Mars formation is a tale of cosmic creativity and relentless transformation. Isn't space just awesome? Stay curious, space enthusiasts.